Yo, what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to be making 3D text. I'm going to show you how you get your lines to become straight, because you may find that there's some artifacts that built in within the lines or within your text. So here's what you're gonna do. The font is armor piercing, and then our text is gonna be, let's just do date Friday, stage Friday groove. So what you can do here, Control Shift O, and then Control Shift O, and then hold Shift. You increase this so that they are aligned. Hold Shift, and it's fine. Bring it a little bit close there, or maybe better, a little bit further, because we're going to use the space for something else. So what you're going to do, select all of them, go to Object, and then go to Path, Offset Path, and then I think your meter is your joint is going to be meter, and it's going to be 4 there. So the offset path is what you're going to use to create that space that we want. So what we're going to do, we're going to make this, we can make this 5.5. we can make this a 5.5, but I think let's make our joints round. Should we make them round? Yeah, let's make them round. Let's leave them at meter like they were, and then press OK, and then you're gonna come to Pathfinder and then click this one, the unite. You're gonna unite them, and then after uniting them, just hit Control X, and then you can create a new layer, like something like that, and then select the layer here, and then Control F. Control F is to paste in place where you cut the thing. So we cut the offset path that we created. Now we're going to paste it in place where we had cut it from, and you can bring it to the bottom. Maybe bring this layer here, and then you can hide it, and then select your text again, or you can just click and go like that. And we're going to go to offset, or maybe let's do this, let's not hide it, show it, and then change the color just so we can see what we are doing, like something like that. So you select your text and go to object again, path, offset path, and now we're gonna decrease this to 4.5, and let's see what. So now you see that it doesn't have, the lines are not going in and going inside the text. But then you can also do, maybe you can decrease it a little bit to your liking. 3 now it gives you that space, or maybe 3.5. it also gives you space. 3.8, it also gives you space, and then 4, I think 4 is what we're gonna go with, 4. But I think that's a little bit smaller, maybe 4.2, not 4.5, 4.2. Yeah, now it's close that space, and then you're just gonna go okay. So now you have that, right? And if you want these lines here to be straight, I'll just show you now. okay, so now what we're gonna do, it already selected the offset path, and we're gonna go to unite the paths, and then Control X, cut, and then Control F, copy in place. And we actually wanted it here. Alright, cool. Now we're gonna select the one that we created and the one that we just created now, and we're gonna go to minus front, and then we just minus front, and now you have these now. So now since you have that, what you're gonna do, and there's also this a little bit of artifacts here, you can leave them, or you can just delete them. Press A, and then you can select this point, and you can delete the point, and you have that. So for the ones that if you want to make them straight, these ones, you can just go here, select these lower points, and delete. Oops, what I wanted to do, select these. Oh, okay, so you just select this to me. Oh, because I deleted this one. Oh, okay. What is happening? I'm gonna do this. I need to join this path, and then I'm gonna Control J. Okay, cool. Even join though, I think they did. And then, oh, you can even just let's see, join. Yeah, join now, and delete this one as well, and then select and then join the two as option. I think the one for Control J, yeah, Control J, and then from there you go delete the one on the side, delete, select this two, Control J, yeah. So that's about that, and then you can actually remove this one, or you can leave it. It's up to you. Right, we're gonna remove it, and now we're gonna export. Now we're just gonna export them. So what is here? There's nothing here. We're just gonna delete this layer, and this. So you just call it now. We're just gonna select. Let's select everything. Control A, and then do we do Control A? Yeah, and then deselect the outer stroke, and then delete, and then Control Shift S. We're just gonna save that, and then 3D title, and then I'm gonna go state Friday Grove as that through. I'm gonna go inside, and then I'm gonna go outer stroke, save, and then Illustrator 3. Okay, Control Z, select this, control, while holding control deselect this Friday, and then delete it. Yeah, cool. And now we can move to, now we can go to Cinema 4D. So I'll see you in a sec. Alright, and we're back in Cinema 4D. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna import our Illustrator files. So we're just gonna merge and go back here, and we're gonna start with our outer stroke and then open. I'm just gonna leave it at 50, or you can maybe do 25. It's a little bit smaller, but 50, I like 50 because when you're gonna be creating the caps, the cap fillet, it's gonna be nice. But 25, we're just gonna do 25, and then press OK, and we're gonna leave it here at the moment. So if you press H, it's gonna go to it where it is, and then Control Shift O, and then we're gonna go the Stage Friday, open, 25, OK, Shift O, groove, open, OK. So now we have that, right? And maybe let's put them all into one group, Alt G, and we're just gonna do the title. Alright, now we have that, and we're gonna set our X to 0, our Y to 0 as well, and then we're gonna press H again. Now we are back at the axis, you see. Yeah, so now that you have them, you see that they are your outer stroke. Now it's straight, it's no longer having those jagged lines that you had, but those jagged lines can act as some design statements or something like that. But yeah, we're just gonna do this, and remember, since I'm gonna just join this because I'm not gonna do anything crazy with it, I'm just gonna join them. Intermediate points, set them to subdivided, and just leave it like that. So now we sorted. So now remember that I said we're gonna put something in here. So this is where now your creativity is gonna come in. Outer stroke, let's just do 500. Even fine, 100. Oh, yeah, 500 is fine. And these ones, they're gonna be 250. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push these guys to the front. So I'm gonna do minus 300. Let's do minus 300. That's way to the front. Let's do minus 200. We're just gonna do minus 200. Okay, it's fine like that. And I'm gonna copy them, and then I'm gonna move these guys minus 150. Oh, minus 100. Minus 100. Add. And then what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add cap, start fillet, and I think these ones are fine. Is it fine like that? It is. And now there's this. But to fix this, let's see if we have another one. It's only that one. It's only that one. Yeah, it's only that one. Okay, no, let's just fix it. So to fix this, what we're going to do, it's stage Friday, right? Now turn off outer stroke. I'm just gonna turn this off. Turn stage Friday. We just turn everything off, and then turn off this. Turn off this for now. And okay, cool. And I'm gonna go in here, select this one, and I'm gonna go to select our point. So if you look at our points, we do have weird things going on here. All right, so these are the things that you need to catch when you are creating your text. And then what I'm gonna do, I'll just delete it. Yeah, I'll just delete that, even though it looks a little bit weird now, but it is what it is. Right, so that's the one at the top, and then the one we also go inside and delete this one. Yeah, I think that was the only issue. And now we can go back to our model. What is that? Model. Yes, model mode. And then just gonna put everything back. Now that little problem that we had, it's gone. See, that's how you fix that. And there's also this one here. So you're just gonna do the same thing, right? We're just gonna do the same thing as we did with the R. All right, cool. Now that's that. Okay, and then I'm gonna select them again, the ones at the back, and then just copy them and then put them on 0. And then I'm gonna increase this to maybe 20, and then also the back 20. Yeah, and so now you're just gonna create your materials here, like the yellows, of this, add backman, make it a 50%, change this color, duration, yeah, you can also decrease the reflectiveness. I'm gonna do like something like that, and then add your panel, leave it like that. You can also add diffusion here, add your noise, go to your noise, texture, no noise, and make it turbulence. It's up to you. Overscale 300. You can do 500, something like that. And then the brightness is the brightness, and I make it like that. Use the color actually to kind of like this blue. Yeah, that blue like that. And then now we can add your band, unlimited. And then we're gonna do 90. I think it's this one, 90. Yeah, that's the one. And then we're gonna do 300, no, maybe 500. Oh, 500. Not 0, 100. 100. Then I move it like so. Move it here and put it inside, and then we have that. And then I'm just gonna add a camera and make it 0, make it 0, see what it's like. And then are we still 0, 0? Yes. Make it 0, make it 0. Cool. Now what we gotta do, render settings. I'm just gonna do output is fine. Let's do 300. Multipass anti-aliasing, gonna do best. Add ambient occlusion. I'm gonna add global illumination, secondary MC. You can just leave it to medium, it's fine. So all these other things you can just give them like that. And maximum samples you can actually leave them like that. and then we're gonna add our sky now. I don't use lights. I don't usually use lights. I'm just gonna add sky, and then I'm gonna create this. I'm gonna go to image, and then I have these HDRIs here. So I'm gonna go to packs, I'm gonna go to Pro Metal, and then DRI. Let me just look at what I'm doing first. Nah, not what I wanted. It's not what I wanted. But then you can actually clear load image. Okay, so what I want is a GSG Pro Studio. GSG. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to HDRIs. Okay, not. Which one was that now? 032. 032. 031, 032. This one is small, this one is a bit big, so I'm gonna do yes. Alright, cool. And then maybe like that, and then bring it here. As you can see now, it's not showing the background, but we have it there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add. You let me not add text first. Let's render it out first and see what's happening. Okay, that was very long. That was way too long. Can you imagine 18-19 minutes? So what I'm gonna do is I did not add the tag, so I'm gonna add the tag now. Maybe modify a little bit of some things there. So we're gonna close this, and then I'm gonna add tags, tag, compositing, and then I'm gonna check in my camera, and then what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go under settings, and then this I'm gonna do PNG, and then I check alpha, the thing that it, yeah, then that's. So now let's see how maybe try. So let's do it now. Entire lesson, geometry or not, geometry. I think let's put geometry, and then okay, so that's much better. Like 9 minutes. It's a little bit better, but not that good, but better, not that good. So you see where the difference is. Here we have pronounced shadows, we have good shadows. Then on this one, since we turned off our what do you call that thing, we turn off our we turned off our ambient occlusion, so this is actually shadows. And yeah, so that's why where is it? Yeah, so that's why you see we don't have good shadows here and we have better shadows here. And then after this, what you do, you can just add a filter. You can add contrast, and you will have that you have those shadows, a little bit of them, not really good shadows, because you can see on this one, the filter, the shadow is much nicer. But yeah, then you have that. You can just export that. Now use filter on and you have that. Yeah, and that's how you actually create those straight lines, and then you'll be sorted from there. You'll be sorted.